Welcome to Manage Equipment Types training video. Click on Manage Equipment in Venue Setup. Again, you will notice some data within the list. Examine the data thoroughly, as you may not need to delete some records. If you would like to remove an equipment type, simply click on the Edit button, scroll down to the bottom, select Inactive and click Save Changes. Click back to Equipment List, and you will notice the cold bain-marie is now out of the active list. We will show you the process again with the hot bain-marie. If you want to edit a type of equipment, simply click the Edit button and change the name and save the changes. If you want to add a new equipment, click on the Add Equipment button. Select the area where the equipment is. In this example is Main Kitchen. Give the new equipment a name. Select the equipment type and click on the Add Equipment button. When you click back to Equipment List, you will notice the new equipment name in the active equipment list. This equipment list is what you will be tagging temperature recordings for AM and PM.